We're getting ready to go into Maverick at this guy's request. He has the sniffles, so I didn't want to send him to school. And I said, wait, Bubby, you gotta have a mask on. And he grabbed a plastic bag and he goes, I'll just use this as a mask. Like, okay.
I did this, I'll show you.
No, I don't want to show them. Yeah, don't do that. Very dangerous. We don't want to do that. Not safe. Joel and I just cleaned every window in that house on the upstairs. And we didn't show it to you because the first half we were screaming at each other. The second half we were crying. And then the last half we were just loving each other. But we're too exhausted to film, so that's my morning. I have a headache and I'm exhausted.
And I have a fever.
He actually doesn't have a fever, but he is like coughing and sniffling. Let's go get a treat for my Linky. I feel like my nerves are barely hanging on today. However, taking a deep breath, singing really loud to some music, and I am going to get my patio set up the best that I can. It's not ideal, it's not what I had planned, but we're gonna do the best we can. Joel is mowing the lawn and we have painters inside. So work is getting done. That's all I care about. Look at the size of this pumpkin. It's huge. You like that?
Yeah, really
Cute. I don't know if it's cute. I can't really tell. I think we should decide where you want the mailbox first, and then we'll put the, like, is that too low? That's too high. I feel like here is going to be good.
Feel it open. Good.
I don't necessarily need it centered. I don't know.
Let me hold it. You step back and look.
Okay. I think I need to call Ashley. I'm going to FaceTime Ashley.
Why isn't Ashley here?
Hi! So we're hanging our numbers.
And
Our mailbox, and I'm wondering where to put them. I know, I'm like, first let's decide where to put the mailbox. Like in the middle? Should it be centered between, or should it be closer?
No.
Okay, no.
It should just be like right outside the door, like that. Yeah.
Okay.
And then yeah, I think like that.
Yeah.
So should I center this under the light?
Yeah, I think so.
So the number's gonna be even under the light, and then should the mailbox be like even with the numbers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. I never would have done that. I had no idea what to do, so thank you. Joel, thank you for putting this up for me.
You're welcome.
I'll put a link to the house number and the mailbox. They were both pretty cheap. Like, they're dang stinking cute.
Yeah, I like it. His idea was to do the written set.
Joel's, I was like, no, we're gonna have one letter or like one number, 7. I was like, I don't think so. And he's like, you can have it written out. So I started searching it and I found it. Are you kidding me? This is the cutest thing. I mean, this is cute. I think that is the cutest. So cute. I'll also link the rug. It's better quality than I was thinking it was gonna be. I think it was like 30-ish bucks, and it's really cute. I like it a lot. Before paint. Here's the after paint. Before paint. After paint. Before paint. The after paint. Also before paint. This one you can actually see a difference on the after paint. And lastly, before paint, after paint. I feel like you can't see that big of a difference, and maybe it's because the flooring is still so yucky and there's still just like stuff everywhere. I feel like the place looks really nice. There isn't as much of a contrast as I thought there would be, but I think that's going to be a good thing because it will just keep things really neutral and really soft and in a smaller space. I think it will make it feel more open. Do you think?
Yeah, oh yeah. Well, and the lighter colors will come into contrast when the flooring's in.
Yeah.
When the lighting's in.
Yeah.
You're just not seeing it.
Yeah, see, because in here, that's like really beautiful. That is basically the update on the house. I'll show you the room that I feel like it made the most drastic difference. And I want to show you as I walk through. That hall closet looks really good. This bathroom, I feel like it really changed up this bathroom. And I think it looks really nice. That's the house update.
Bonnie is working on prepping for tomorrow's video. The kids are hanging out. No, you cannot use my new toy. If you're wondering what this is, I will leave a link in the video that shows how I used it in a today's task video. Of course you want to see that. Anyway, we're playing with Lady. I just thought, let's attach her treat to a little car and see what she does. Oh, and then she picks it up. She picks up the whole car. It's hilarious. Oh, she got it. Oh, she's got the whole car in her mouth. Lady.
Can I show them the like, no, this is, oh guys. Kids are already fighting. We are trying to get ready for our Thanksgiving weekend. I am packing and I'm just really wanting to get the outfits right, making sure everyone has pajamas and lounge clothes. Oh, Olivia, that's what I need from you. The boys all have packed a sweat outfit. So
that my pajamas can be that, because that's pretty much my
okay,
sweat
then
outfit.
I need you to get some pajamas to sleep in then.
Okay.
Yep, find me a pair of pajamas. I have to have piles or my brain just cannot, okay? I'm bringing my mom the newest color of robe from Bali, so I'll put that in the description for you guys. Her and my dad consumed an entire bag of protein, and this is the only protein I would even recommend to her. I do have a discount code for this, so that will be in the description as well. And then I have a present for every year. We go into the same hotel for Thanksgiving, and the manager that's there is always the same manager, and so I wanted to bring her something special. Spoiler alert, it is also a robe. I'm also wearing my Bali today. The inventory has gone much faster than we thought it was, and it makes me so happy because a lot of them are repeat customers that are like, oh, we bought the black one and we really wanted either the long sleeve or the, you know, whatever. Anyway, so I will obviously link this. Obviously link the jacket because it's like fuzzy, warm, and goodness. Okay, what else am I doing here? What else was I gonna show you guys?
Come on, Lady, chase this thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Go get it. These make the best gifts during the holidays, so I'll also link them. I know there's a million links, but like that's just the situation we're in, okay? Hey Google, stop playing music. Do you know that is the worst part about picking up the camera is that I don't get to keep the music on because we've got Christmas music going. What are you doing with all my ornaments?
There's a light on this tree, but no light on my side. One side. So I'm taking it to my workshop. I'll fix it up there and bring it back here. Now go to bed, little Cindy Lou Who.
So you're staying in cute like Cindy Lou Who. Okay, actually, I think I can see more lights up there. Have you fixed any?
No!
Oh, just kidding. You told them that you were doing a video earlier today, which he fixed all of these. These were completely dead, and he got those lights fixed. Thank you very much. And now the whole top of my tree. The break starts for the kids, and I already want to hurt them. They're already down there fighting. They're already down there yelling. I'm almost done fixing up the packing. And I honestly thought that the older they got, the better it would be. I think it's gonna be the worst. The worse it's going to get. My mom had her stints taken out today, and I was really worried that like things might tear. They won't know for a couple weeks, so they're like, just kind of keep an eye out for a couple weeks. She is feeling well, if things burn. Overall, I think she's doing good, and she's like, I want to know how Joel's doing. And I was like, he is progressively feeling worse and worse. And the doctor, Joel's like, okay, so if it's not my gallbladder, if I pass that test.
I was like, what can it be? And he's
Yeah.
like, oh.
Crohn's disease.
That would be. If you just knew how much I hate working on Christmas lights.
I just
I married you because you weren't Christmas light people. The Griffiths family wasn't Christmas light people, and that's why I married you. I feel like
I've changed.
I lied to.
You've changed. You're daring. What would I do without you? While Joel finishes up the tree, I am going to clear our bed and make sure. Oh, I need Olivia's duffel bag. Olivia, bring me your duffel bag. I still don't really even know what I'm packing or wearing. Jammies, underwear, socks, swimming suits. Oh, his lounge pants. Olivia, go grab me the maroon pants that are in the dryer. In the washing machine. They're in the washing machine. I think that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I love you, and we'll see you in our next video. It's gonna be our Thanksgiving one, so it'll probably be a good one. Thank you. Let's hope it's a good one. Let's hope it's a good Thanksgiving without any fights.